Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add footnotes in WordPress quickly and easily, even if you've never done it before. Footnotes are a fantastic way to give your readers extra information or references without cluttering your main content, and they make your site look more professional. Stick around because by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do it in just a few minutes. First, open your WordPress website in your browser. Once it loads, look at the upper right corner for the login option and click it. You'll see several ways to sign in, but for the fastest method, select Continue with Google and pick your account. Using Google makes logging in quicker, especially if you have multiple accounts or forget your passwords. Once you're in your dashboard, take a moment to look around. WordPress dashboards can feel a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. This opens a site editor where you can make all sorts of changes to your pages, including adding footnotes. At the top right of the editor, you'll see a plus icon. Click it to add a new content block. A search bar will appear. Type paragraph and select the paragraph block from the results. This block will serve as your main footnotes section. You can give it a title like footnotes or references so your readers know where to look. Giving a clear title is always a good practice. It helps with readability and navigation. Next, let's organize the actual footnotes. Go back to the plus icon, type list into the search bar and select the list block. Lists are great for footnotes because they keep everything neat and easy to follow. Add your footnote items one by one, making sure each one is clear and concise. Think of this as giving your readers a little roadmap. They should know exactly where to find the extra information. To make your footnote numbers look professional, highlight each list entry, open the formatting options in the toolbar, and select Superscript. Superscript raises the numbers slightly, just like in books or research articles, giving your website that polished look. Now, let's make these footnotes interactive. Click the link button in the toolbar. When prompted, type in an anchor with a hashtag at the beginning, like footnote 1. Then click the link button again to confirm. This creates a clickable link so readers can jump directly from the text to the footnote, which is really handy if your content is long. Scroll down to your site's footer. Open the block settings on the right and click Advanced. Here, type the same anchor you used before, but this time leave out the hashtag. This ensures WordPress recognizes it as the target for your footnote link. Little steps like this can feel tricky at first, but once you do it once, it's second nature. Finally, don't forget to click Save to store all your changes, then preview your site to make sure everything looks perfect. Check that your footnotes are clear, well formatted, and that clicking the numbers actually takes you to the footnote section. This final check is crucial because it's all about user experience. Your readers will thank you. And that's it. Adding footnotes in WordPress is straightforward, fast, and makes your content much more professional and readable. Now you can enhance your posts with references, extra details, or citations without cluttering your main text. Try it out on your site and notice how much smoother your content feels. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and add footnotes to a few pages on your site right now. It's a small change that makes a big difference.